दोस्तों, जब से राहुल गांधी मलेशिया में पकड़ा गया है तब से ये लगातार सुर्खियों में बना हुआ है, तब से लगातार चर्चा में बना हुआ है। भले ही अभी वापस इंडिया में आ चुका है पर उसके बाद भी लगातार ट्रोल किया जा रहा है, लगातार इसकी और इसके चमचों की खिंचाई की जा रही है। हाँ, कुछ लोग समर्थन देकर इसे बचाने की कोशिशें जरूर कर रहे हैं पर उसके साथ साथ ये भी बुरी तरह से अपमानित हो जाते हैं।
राहुल गांधी की पार्टी जो है ना, गोली खाती है, गोली मारती नहीं है। गोडसे की पार्टी गोली मारती है। इंदिरा गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी, राजीव गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी और देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी थी। हमने कभी किसी को नहीं मारा। हमारी पार्टी नॉन वायलेंस पे बिलीव करती है और ऐसे तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं वहां पे।
Sabharwal is concerned about you. Rohan,
meditation every day.
yeah, thank you. Rohan,
And I'm also concerned.
in Bangkok. Okay, 1 minute, calm down. Rohan, please continue. Rohan, please continue. Make your point. Why?
तू जाता हो, तेरी बाबा ने सिखाया।
Stop it. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohan.
दरअसल अर्णव और शहजाद का ये डिबेट भले ही थोड़ा सा पुराना है पर आजकल ये लगातार वायरल हो रहा है और ट्रेंड में भी बना हुआ है। और वजह है राहुल गांधी की वो मलेशिया ट्रिप, जिसके दौरान वो सड़कों पर स्कूटी चलाते हुए और कुछ लड़कियों के साथ में पकड़े गए थे, जिसको लेकर ये वीडियो एक बार फिर से सुर्खियों में आ गया है, जिसमें अर्णव गोस्वामी ने और शहजाद पूनावाला ने इस कांग्रेसी चमचे की जमकर खिंचाई की थी। बाकी क्या हुआ था इस बहस में और किस तरह से ये बेचारा झेप कर रह गया था, आप खुद देखिए।
Mr. Sabharwal, Rahul Gandhi has not denied that he has assaulted fellow members of parliament. And this incident is recorded. The members of parliament, as you've seen, are senior members of parliament. So they are senior to you. They are about Shashi Tharoor's age, about 70 years of age. And Rahul Gandhi is about 55. He's physically assaulting someone 15 years older to him. The member of parliament has head injuries and is presently admitted in the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital. Are you proud of this?
It is totally a distraction from the issue. There's nothing like that has happened. Rahul Gandhi ji has already denied the allegation. He did the press conference with Khadke ji today. Rather, Khadke ji suffered too much. He wrote a letter to the speaker, to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha also. My submission is that it's very unfortunate that the BJP to distract the issue of Ambedkar ji, where the Home Minister, the Honorable Home Minister has given a wrong words on the dignity of the Ambedkar ji. So they want to distract. And you know, the Rahul Gandhi की पार्टी जो है ना, गोली खाती है, गोली मारती नहीं है। गोडसे की पार्टी गोली मारती है। इंदिरा गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी, राजीव गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी और देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी थी। हमने कभी किसी को नहीं मारा। हमारी पार्टी नॉन वायलेंस पे बिलीव करती है और ऐसे तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं वहां पे। कुछ भी बिना बात के लिए राहुल गांधी,
I want to ask you one more question.
ऑब्सेशन हो गया इनको।
So there is a woman MP.
बदनाम करने
So there is a one last question to you. So there is a Sabharwal, there is a woman MP who has cried today and broken down in parliament. She said that he came very close to me. He was threatening me.
हमारी टीचिंग ही ऐसी नहीं है।
She cried.
हमारी टीचिंग ही ऐसी नहीं है। हमारी पार्टी के अंदर
this entire act of
हमें सिखाया नहीं गया।
So what
हमें सिखाया नहीं गया।
कब तक डिफेंड
सर हमें सिखाया नहीं गया।
But he is not even defending it.
मेरे पे गोली चलाई है लोग।
Rahul Gandhi is not.
मेरे घर पे गोली चलाई है 85-86 में। सर ये लोगों की इनकी।
Sir, you have carried out great violence in 1984. I used to stay in Janakpuri. I know the violence the Congress is capable of. So how many Sikhs were killed by Congress leaders then?
कमाल करते फिर आप सिख पे ले गए सर आप।
मैं ले रहा हूँ।
कमाल
क्योंकि आप वो भी डिनाई करते हैं।
सर हमने मारे।
किसने मारा? HKL भगत ने नहीं मारा। जगदीश टाइटलर ने नहीं मारा।
मारे हैं सर।
किसने मारा?
सर
किसने मारा?
स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन हुआ।
Spontaneous reaction.
Are you spontaneous reaction? आप लोग किसको मारेंगे?
Shehzad, you have seen here an absolute and clear denial by the Congress party that Rahul Gandhi is not responsible for the severe injury to the back of the head of Shri Mukesh Rajput, not responsible for the head injury of Pratap Rao Sarangi, right? And not responsible at all for an attempted act of physical assault on a woman member of parliament who broke down in parliament.
While Sir was making his submission, he even denied the role of Congress in the 1984 genocide. Sajjan Kumar was convicted. And when the High Court convicted him, they said that he had political patronage and therefore it took 34 years and it was a party-sponsored massacre. And forget BJP calling it out. The Aam Aadmi Party won its campaign in 2022, campaigning on this very same point. No, Arnab, just a little diversion. When women from the wrestling community made allegations against Brij Bhushan, we not once doubted their version and veracity. And that's how it should be. If a woman says that a dignity or a modesty has been outraged, we take that on record. And Arnab, I remember the number of debates you also did because you wanted to get to the truth and you stood with the victim. Let me just say something. Let me just quote something.
I'm coming to you, sir.
Okay? The security personnel had cordoned and created a passage to the entrance for the right for the honorable MPs of other parties. Suddenly, leader of
changing on the
opposition,
left
Shri Rahul Gandhi, along with other members, came in front of me. And despite there being a passage created for him, he misbehaved with me in a loud voice, and his physical proximity was so close that I, being a lady member, felt extremely uncomfortable. I stepped aside with a heavy heart and, denouncing my democratic rights, felt that no member of parliament should behave like this. I belong to the ST community of Nagaland,
Yes.
and I'm a lady member. I want to ask that should we deny this?
Is this a complaint of the member of parliament who...
In parliament, submitted in parliament on her letterhead. I am asking every viewer who's watching this debate tonight, that is a lady member of parliament from the tribal community from Nagaland lying? Is that what she's being accused of? She's being accused of doing badnami of Rahul? Is she being accused of saying that she's trying to divert from an issue? Secondly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself admitted that Mata Hara ye jo dhakka mukki hui. When Rahul Gandhi went for a moment when Nishikant...
Where has he admitted it?
Journalist asked him कि ये धक्का मुक्की हुई है क्या? When the धक्का मुक्की happens to you in Hindi, you say धक्का मुक्की हुई मेरे साथ. You don't say धक्का मुक्की किया है. When Rahul Gandhi was asked a specific question कि धक्का मुक्की हुई, he answered by saying धक्का मुक्की किया. And धक्का मुक्की किया means he was the orchestrator of the धक्का मुक्की, not the victim of the धक्का मुक्की. Which means by the Freudian slip he has admitted that धक्का मुक्की उनके साथ हुई नहीं. उन्होंने धक्का मुक्की कोई second.
उन्होंने जो कहा कि जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट वो 70 साल के हैं, बुजुर्ग हैं, एटलीस्ट रिलेटिवली बुजुर्ग हैं. राहुल गांधी is 55, he is 70. And Rahul Gandhi is saying the 70-year-old man tried to attack me, so I attacked him. Can you really think that a 70-year-old MP with injuries जो bleeding है, जिनकी bleeding चल रही, काफी severe bleeding है, do you think he's acting, making it up? On record उन्होंने कहा है, I have been attacked by Rahul Gandhi.
When Mr. Sarangi's head was bleeding, he goes there and tells a 70-year-old कि इसने मुझको धक्का मारा. Can a 70-year-old somebody like Rahul Gandhi?
आप थे वहाँ पे?
Can you? अरे भाई,
आप थे?
The entire evidence is there. The entire evidence is there. And now finally, let me show you the evidence.
FIR हो गई है ना?
Now let me show you the evidence.
Listen, Shashank,
I'm showing you-
we will come. Full time I'll give you.
Arnab,
Calm
please,
down.
I draw your attention.
What
This
is-
is the view. This is the security cordon created. Now I will also show you that Rahul Gandhi was standing very peacefully out here. This is Rahul Gandhi, who had already been taken there with the security, through that security cordon.
Yeah,
But
discuss
because he wanted to incite, this is Rahul Gandhi. This is Rahul Gandhi. He was saying he was being blocked. Here is Rahul Gandhi. But because he wanted to incite, he goes in the crowd and he pushes the MPs who are there. 7 days they protested. None of our BJP MPs did that. But one day
One
we
versus
protested
four.
Bakardwar. They used physical violence.
कल रात को
अखिलेश जी ने बोला कि संविधान खिलाफ है, संविधान के खिलाफ है. जम्मू कश्मीर में संविधान तब लागू हुआ जब 370 हटा, 370
We'll take
वापस
the
लाने का
calls.
रेजोल्यूशन जिसने पारित किया, आप उनके साथ हैं. आपने कहा अंबेडकर जी हमारे लिए भगवान है. आजम खान ने 2016 में बोला कि अंबेडकर जी की जो उंगली वाला स्टैचू है, ये बताता है कि ये जमीन भी मेरी है और आगे वाली जमीन भी मेरी है. 2012 में जब समाजवादी पार्टी सरकार में थी यूपीए के, दिस पिक्चर वाज पब्लिश्ड इन
picture is-
एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक्स.
What picture is
The picture shows Nehru whipping Ambedkar.
Shame for that tonight.
In this picture, Kapil Sibal was confronted कि why is this picture there in the NCERT textbooks? He said people like Yogendra Yadav have designed this. And last point, Sam Pitroda tweeted, Nehru developed the constitution, Ambedkar
Yes.
had no role. Now with these 4 questions, 370, Mr. Ambedkar being whipped by Nehru, 2012 picture, Azam Khan's statement and Sam Pitroda's statement, I want specific answers. Probably from Anmol because he's supporting Rahul Gandhi more than even Rahul Gandhi's people are supporting him today. This is an अनोखा रिश्ता है ये. दिल्ली में एक सीट नहीं देनी है, पंजाब में एक सीट नहीं देनी है, पर राहुल मेरा राहुल हो राहुल.
Quickly, Rohan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear, Rohan. Go on.
Okay, firstly, huge fan.
Thank you.
Secondly, you should keep some paramedics out here because I'm really concerned about Mr. Sabrawal's health.
Mr. Sabharwal is concerned about your health. Yes, I'm going to keep paramedics. Okay, 1 minute. Sabharwal is concerned about you. Rohan.
do a meditation every day.
Yeah, thank you. Rohan.
And I'm also concerned.
In Bangkok.
Okay, 1 minute. Calm down. Rohan, please continue. Rohan, please continue. Make your point. Why? Stop it. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohan.
Can I speak?
Let's
Can I speak?
be. I request you, Shehzad, keep the debate serious. Rohan is calling. Rohan, make your point, please, on the debate. Rohan, make your point, please, on the debate. Silence. Rohan, complete your point.
And the last thing I want to say is that Congress is history. This kind of ridiculous behavior is really, I think Rahul Gandhi should resign.
भाई देखो, अर्नब का और शहजाद का मुद्दा भले ही सहियों पॉइंट्स भले ही सहियों पर किसी बुजुर्ग का इस तरह से मजाक उड़ाना, इस तरह से उसको जलील करना, इस तरह से लगातार उसकी टांग खींचना भी अच्छा नहीं है. हाँ, ये बात सही है कि कांग्रेसी है तो इसका जलील होना बनता भी है, पर इस हद का जलील करना अच्छा नहीं है। हाँ, आप दोबारा इसे जलील करोगे, हम दोबारा देखेंगे, दोबारा उसको शेयर करेंगे, पर भाई इस हद का मत करो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि ये घर जाकर अपनी नस काट ले और वो भी जिम्मेदारी आपके ही मत्थे मढ़ दी जाए। बाकी आप लोग इस बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। जल्द मिलते हैं किसी नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक गुड बाय, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।